Hi children, good morning. Have a nice day. Welcome back to English class. Stay home, stay safe. See my dears, all of you open your textbook, page number 14. Open your textbook, page number 14. Very good. See Nana, here, right now exercise is there. This is very funny for you. See here a graphic story. Complete by filling in the speech bubbles appropriately. Okay. Don't forget add sound words wherever needed. See children, did you remember sound words? Once remind? Good. In our lesson, some sound words are there. Yes. Horse. Very good. Tap tak tap tak tap tak. Yes, 3 sons, Sanatomi, Sanayima, Sanajoba, there riding horse, no? Yes, that time, that sound words we heard. Thap tak, thap tak, thap tak, like that. Okay, now next, when tree, yes, that time also thadak. When the banyan tree fell down, that time we heard that sound word thadak. Okay, na? So, did you remember sound words? Very good. Wherever we need, surely use sound words also here. Here asking, don't forget to add sound words wherever needed. Okay? See here children. See this fellow. This man name is Mini. Okay? Money. He is magician. What is meant by magician? Yes. One who performs magic tricks is called magician. He was walking in his garden. Whose garden? His garden only. So, he was walking his garden. Okay? See here. He is Mr. Money, magician, was walking in his garden. See here, tree. What is this, Nana? Mango tree. Here, down, pumpkin. What is this? Pumpkin. Pumpkin always, see Nana, here down only. Why? Because pumpkins are so weight. Understand? So, these are always grows in vines only. Vines means creepers. See, these are the creepers like that. See here. This is not fair. Look at that enormous pumpkin growing on that vine. This is not fair. He is thinking. He saw mango tree and pumpkin vine both. And he thought, see, this is not fair. Look at that enormous pumpkin. What is meant by enormous? Huge. Very big. Enormous pumpkin growing on that vine. Vine means yes, creeper. See Nana, pumpkin is very big in size. Okay? Very big in size. Mangoes are little bit smaller than pumpkin. Okay, here he is telling pumpkin growing on that vine. The poor plant can't bear the weight of the pumpkin. Here, creepers are very poor plants. Is it right? Yes. So, he thought pumpkin is huge, enormous. So, that poor plant can't bear the weight of the pumpkin. Look at the strong mango tree. Look at the strong mango tree. It has a light load. Mangoes are not heavy comparing to pumpkin. So, it has a light load. Shouldn't pumpkins grow on strong trees? And mangoes grow on vines. Okay? He thought mangoes are lightweight. So, mangoes should be in creepers. And that is vines. Pumpkin is a huge fruit. So, better grow in the strong plant. So, pumpkins grow on strong trees and mangoes grow on vines. He thought like that. Okay? See here. He was magician, no? Is it right? Yes, was magician. So, I think I can help. What is he saying? I think I can help. How can he help? Because he was magician, no? So, got some magic tricks. So, he wants to do something. See here. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Magician, no? So, this is his stick. He is doing magic. How? See. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. So, some magic sound words here he was using. So, immediately clink, clink, clink also sound word. See here children, clink means, see here mangoes comes down. Okay, mangoes comes down and pumpkin, yes, pumpkin exchange both of them, that mango tree. Okay, here in the place of pumpkin mangoes came. Okay, so he did magic. Okay Nana, next what happened? See, after a few days what happened? See, after a few days he came to his garden and he saw pumpkin is here. I am such a wise fellow. Wise means clever. I am such a wise fellow. The trees and the plants are happier now. He thought, what is here going on? That is very good. I am such a wise fellow. The trees and the plants are happier now. Okay? Now see what is going on. Here see, this is pumpkin. These are the branches of tree. Some sound is coming. What is that sound? See. Creak. What is this sound? Creak. What is going on? Pumpkin weight is so much weight. Pumpkin is so much weight. So, tree is strong, but the branches are not strong comparing to stem. Stem is strong only. Any tree, stem is strong, but branches are not strong comparing to stem. So, that branches can't bear that much weight of pumpkin. So, becoming down and one sound came. Creak. That means branch is coming down and becoming to break. Oh, what is happening? See here, magician Mani is telling, oh, what is happening? What is happening? See what happened? Pumpkin fell on his head. See here. Okay, now? Pumpkin fell on his head. Splash. Okay, splash means the pumpkin fell on his head. What is he saying? Oh, it fell on my head. What is he saying? Oh, it fell on my head. See. Now what he realized? Yes. Now I know why pumpkins grow on vines. I should have never messed the nature. Okay? Now he realized his mistake. What is that? We should not mess the nature. Here mess means we should not disorder the nature things. What is going on? We have no right to change. Okay? Now he realized why pumpkins grow on vines. If pumpkins grow on vines, then pumpkin never fell on his head. Okay? I should have never messed the nature. Okay? Did you enjoy this? Yes, very good. See, Nana, all of you, you opened now textbook page number 14? Yes. See here in your textbook, page number 14, here given bubbles, speech bubbles given. Okay. Here speech bubbles given. These are the speech bubbles here and here and here. Okay. Next, go to the page number 15. Here also you should fill it. Here. Okay. And here also sound words, and here. Okay, now here also you should complete it neatly with neat handwriting, cursive handwriting, and send me a photocopy neatly and clearly. Okay, now this is page number 14 and 15. Okay, this is the right now exercise for you. Same this one, like this right now exercise in your textbook, page number 19 also is there. All of you open your textbook, page number 19. Open? Very good. Page number 19. Open the page number 19. Good. Here see. Read this comic strip. Read this comic strip. What is given here, Nana? What is given here? Here teacher is asking questions to her students. What is that? See. Can you name 8 wild animals we find in India? Teacher is asking question to her students. Can you name 8 wild animals we find in India? He is asking to say 8 wild animals. The student said, So she is ready to answer. She is thinking. See here, what is her answer? 3 lions, 4 leopards, 1 tiger. See, what is this funny answer? Teacher asked her to say 8 animals names. Then we have to say lion, leopard, tiger, cheetah. Okay, like that continuously 8 names she has to say. But she said 3 lions, 4 leopards. So 3 plus 4, 7, 1 tiger, 8. So funny answer, no? She said. Okay. Teacher shocked really. So like these questions and answers we have to prepare now. This is page number 19 given as example, Nana. Next go to page number 20. Page number 20. Okay. Here are 2 such comic strips. Complete them by writing appropriate dialogues. Make them as funny as possible. Here actually we have to complete our own. Here, sir, student, sir and student. Here conversation is going on. What is that? Let us see. She is telling, Sir, will you punish me for something I did not do? What is she asking? Sir, will you punish me for something I did not do? If you didn't do anything, anyone can punish you? No. So, she is asking to, Sir, will you punish me for something I did not do? Actually, what is the answer of Sir? What did he say? No. Is it right? Yes. Sir said, Of course not. Why would I? That means, if you didn't do anything, why would I punish my dear? Okay? He said that answer. Then what is she saying? See. Then I must confess that I didn't do my homework. Here confess means I declare. Then I must confess. That means I must declare that I didn't do my homework. So actually before she asked if anything not doing, if you punish me, sir. Sir said, no, why would I? But she asked very wisely, I must confess that I didn't do my homework. So, he didn't do her homework and he's asking like that to the sir. What is the reaction of sir? What? What can I say to that? Means actually sir thought any making noise in the class or disturbing others, stealing someone's things, belongings, like that. If she didn't do like that things, then why would I punish you? Never. But she said, I must confess that I did not do my homework. She did not do her homework. So, very cleverly she asked it before. Okay? This is very funny now? Yes, very good. Next, go to the here 2 comic strips given now. This is one and second one. See. Here the conversation between mother and son. See here, Nana. Here place is there. Here you should write one question. What is that? What would you do if you won 10 lakh rupees? Actually, this question was asked by his teacher. Okay. So, all of you write here, what would you do if you won 10 lakh rupees? Okay. Now, let us move to the comic strip. Mother, son. Okay. See. He is spelling. My teacher was upset with my essay. My teacher was upset with my essay. That means the teacher already given this one. What would you do if you won 10 lakh rupees? So, he wrote something answer. But his teacher was not happy. My teacher was upset with my essay. He said to his mother. His mother said, why? What did you write? She is asking, why, my dear? What did you write? That means, what did you write as the answer? Then, immediately he answered. What did he answer? Nothing. That is the point. If I won 10 lakhs, I would relax and do nothing. He said, what did he write in that essay, ma? Nothing. That is the point. It means if really I won 10 lakh rupees, I would relax. Why should I work? I would relax and do nothing, mom. Really, if I won 10 lakh rupees, why should I do any work? Really, I would relax and do nothing. So this answer is just for fun, funny or not? Yes. Then, that was clever of you, his mother said. That was clever of you. Now write the real essay. Okay? She said, his mother said, okay, that was clever of you. That is very funny answer. That is, you answered very cleverly. My dear, now write the real essay. Okay? Did you enjoy these funny answers? Very funny, no, these answers? Okay. You also sometimes telling like this only. Is it right? Yes. You have so many funny answers. You are in your brain. Have so many funny answers like that. I know very well. See, Nana, in your textbook, page number 20, this exercise is there. This right now. All of you complete this. Write all dialogues. Whatever here given and whatever needed, if you want to write your own. Okay? Complete it and send me the clear pic. Okay?